Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving into the BMW G310 R, a compact yet powerful roadster designed for city streets and beyond. Let's find out if this entry-level BMW motorcycle lives up to its premium badge. Design and build quality. The BMW G310 R strikes a perfect balance between aggressive styling and minimalist design. With its sharp headlamp, sporty fuel tank, and muscular stance, it clearly inherits BMW's DNA. The quality of materials and the flawless paint job scream premium, ensuring the bike turns heads wherever you go, and always does. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the G310 R is powered by a 313cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine delivering 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. Its unique backward-tilted engine layout ensures optimal weight distribution. Paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, this bike offers a thrilling ride both in the city and on twisty roads. Ride and handling. With a lightweight frame and a low seat height of 780 cubic feet, the G310R is incredibly easy to maneuver. Whether you're cutting through traffic or enjoying open roads, the bike feels stable and confident. The upside-down forks and monoshock rear suspension provide a perfect blend of comfort and precision handling. Features in technology. The G310R is packed with modern features like an all-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and dual-channel ABS as standard. It's also equipped with ride-by-wire technology for precise throttle response. BMW's attention to safety and performance is evident in every detail. Pricing and verdict. Starting at an affordable price point for a BMW, the G310R makes luxury motorcycling accessible. It's ideal for beginners or experienced riders looking for a stylish and reliable commuter. With BMW's badge and performance, it's a solid investment for anyone craving a premium ride. Outro. That's all for today's review of the BMW G310 R. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more motorcycle insights and reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.